Ever pondered why your beloved grandmother was so adamant about you consuming that bitter neem juice or the sacred basil tea whenever you caught a cold? Or why she suggested lavender for relaxation, ginger for digestive issues, and ginseng for an energy boost? It's all about the magic of medicinal plants. These green wonders have been our healing companions for thousands of years. In this video, we will embark on a journey through the world of medicinal plants, delving into their varied uses, so get ready and buckle up. Welcome to our journey through nature's pharmacy. Today we're embarking on an exploration of medicinal plants, such as peppermint for headaches, rosemary for memory boost, and chamomile for a good night's sleep, along with their fascinating uses. Even in an era of advanced technology and cutting-edge pharmaceuticals, these natural healers like peppermint, chamomile, and rosemary continue to play a pivotal role. They're not just remnants of our past, but vital components of global healthcare systems. Harnessing the power of these plants can unlock a treasure trove of remedies and wellness solutions. So, are you ready to step into the green world of healing? Did you know that there are over 20,000 species of medicinal plants in the world? Quite a staggering number, isn't it? These plants, often hiding in plain sight, are nature's very own pharmacy, each with its own unique healing capabilities. Take echinacea, for instance. This humble purple flower is a superstar in the world of medicinal plants. Used by Native Americans for centuries, echinacea is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping to fight off colds and other infections. It's nature's way of saying, "I've got your back." Cross over to the vibrant world of St. John's wort. This flowering plant with its bright yellow blooms is a mood-lifting marvel. It's been used for centuries to battle depression and anxiety, providing a natural path towards mental well-being. Consider garlic. This kitchen staple is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a heart-healthy hero, known to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. It's nature's way of keeping your heart beating strong. Then there's aloe vera, a plant that's as beautiful as it is beneficial. Aloe vera is renowned for its skin properties. Whether it's a pesky sunburn or a bothersome rash, aloe vera is often the go-to remedy for skin ailments. Its soothing, cooling effect is a testament to nature's nurturing side. And let's not forget about turmeric, a spice that's as flavorful as it is medicinal. Used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, turmeric is hailed for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's like nature's very own aspirin, providing relief from aches and pains. These are just a few examples of the medicinal treasures that nature provides us. Each plant with its unique properties stands as a testament to the incredible power of the natural world. So next time you pass by a garden or a green patch, remember you might just be walking past a natural pharmacy. Perhaps you've already stumbled upon some of these green miracles in your own backyard, or during a tranquil walk in the park. Maybe you've brewed a calming cup of chamomile tea, or used aloe vera to soothe a painful sunburn. Or perhaps you've inhaled the calming scent of lavender oil for relaxation, sipped on ginger tea to assist your digestion, or popped a ginseng supplement to boost your energy. These are just a few instances of how plants invigorate and improve our daily lives. The adventurous journey of discovering the wonders of these plants is unending. So, if you're enthusiastic to learn more about the remarkable benefits of plants, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Keep exploring, keep learning,